She's always ripping pillows. Okay, so my dad. Oh, my mouth. No, look at. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Goodbye. Peace out. I leave the room for 30 seconds. I come back, and this is what I come back to. Gaga, look at that face on her like, yeah, I know, yeah. I told you not to, the pillow, look at this. I told you not to do that, and you just got busted. You just stop. I'm taking this pillow away from you. I just really like this pillow. I'm putting it somewhere she won't never get a hamper. Now that includes this video. Alright, goodbye. Dagger, look at this. She knocked it over, took it out, and she started tearing it apart again. I come in, I touch her, and when I come in, she just walks away. Like nothing happened. What the heck? Oh, and sorry about my face. I was eating a popsicle, and it like got all over my face. So sorry. Gaga. She doesn't even care. Nope, I'll deal with this.